Okay, hi everyone. Okay, welcome to the Young Man Education here. Okay, before I start, we'll discuss for paper today. So please subscribe my YouTube channels here. Okay, just go to button there. Just click to subscribe it. Okay, and I hope to can share my videos or like, subscribe, and also share. Okay. So today we will discuss for Cambridge IGCSE additional mathematics 0606 stroke 22 and paper 2 of November 2020. Okay. Okay, you already subscribed, right? Okay, so now we can start. Okay, now we look at the question one. The question one is solve equalities, the bracket x minus 8, x minus 10 is more than 35. So what we need to do is just multiply. Okay, we get x squared minus 10x minus 8x plus 18 more than 35. So we will get x squared minus 18x plus 18 minus 35, so we will get 45 more than 0. Okay, so now we can do factorization. Okay, we can put negative factor. So x minus 3, x minus 15 is more than 0. And then we can, using the graphical method, to solve it. Okay, so x will be less than 3, x or more than 5. Okay, so more than 15. Okay, now we look at question 2. Okay, question 2, find the value of the x such that, okay, for power x plus 1 over x minus 1 equals to 32 power 1 over 3x multiplied 8 1 over 3. Okay, so now we can change this become as base 2. Okay, now I write the question first. Okay, those 2 here. Okay, this 5. Okay, this 2. Okay, now this simplify. Okay, get 2 pi over 3 x, and then this multiply for 2. And then from here I got 2x plus 2 over 2x plus 1. So I can write 2x plus 2 minus x plus 1 equals to 2 pi over 3x plus 1. Okay, finally I can get x plus 3 equals to 2 pi over 3x plus 1. Okay, now we can make it same. Okay, x minus 5 over 3x equals to 1 minus 3. So for this, we will get negative 2 over 3x equals to negative 2. So after that, negative 2 divided by negative 2 over 3. So I will get x equals to 3. And now we look at the next question. Okay, 3a, find the equation of perpendicular bicycle of the line joining the points 12, 11, and 4, 3, giving your answer in the form y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so now we start. Okay, first we need to find the midpoint. Okay, 12 plus 4 over 2, and then 1 plus 3 over 2. And here, 8 and 2. Okay, now we can find the gradient. Okay, now I take 3 minus 1, and then I take 4 minus 12. So I will get negative 1 over 4. Okay, because now we need to find the equation, but the variable are surface one. So we can using the m1, m2 equals to negative 1, negative 1 over 4 m2. So now we take gradient is 4. Okay, now we can start to make the equation. Okay, y minus 2 equals to 4 bracket x minus 8. Y equals to 4x minus 2, 32 plus 2. So y equals to 4x minus 30. Okay. Okay, now we see the next question. Okay, the topographical center is cut at the points A and B. So, and then find the length of the A and B. Okay, I mean this is a straight line, maybe. Okay, negative 14. Okay, here we don't know. Yx 4x minus 13. So here is 13 over 4. That's here. So now we can find the length of AB. Okay, equals to 0 plus 0 minus 13 square, and then plus 13 over 4 plus 0 square. After that, I got answer is 15 over 2. Okay, here. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, solve these simultaneous equations. Okay, so how we need to do for this question? Actually, we can start. Okay, because in Lotenimus forms, right now we need to change in the basic forms. So x plus y equals to 3 is our 2. So I will get x plus y equals to 9. And then we see for second equations, y plus. Okay, after that I can write log 3 x plus 1 square equals to log 3y plus 2. And then I can write 1 plus 2 equals to x plus 1 square. So y can equals to x plus 1 square minus 2. Okay, now I can start to take this first and this second. Okay, and wait a minute. Okay, y equals to 9 minus x is first. Okay, so first equals to second. So x plus 1 square minus 2 equals to 9 minus x. So I expand x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 minus 9, and then plus x equals to 0. Then x squared plus 3x, okay, minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, now I do the factorize. x, and then 2 and 5. So plus minus, so I will get x minus 2, x plus 5 equals to 0. So I will get x equals to 2, x equals to negative 5. Okay, but this is not finished part. Okay, we need to continue the next part. Okay, but you can see that for this question, x equals to negative 5 will be in null. Why? Why will be in null? Because as you can see, if I put negative a here, like I will get 2 log 3 negative 4. This will not be happen. Okay, because as we know, logarithms, you put the domains right, cannot be negative, should be more than 0. So this negative 5, we cannot use it. Okay, so we just see for x equals to 2, so y we can get is 7. Okay. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, do not use the calculator in this question. Okay. Question A, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 10 at a point where x equals to 1. Okay. First, we do the derivative part. Okay, y equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 10 dy dx equals to 3x squared minus 12x plus 3. Okay, and then we can take when x equals to 1. Okay, we can find the gradient of the tangent first. Okay, 3, 1 square minus 12, 1 plus 3. So we will get, okay, 3 minus 12 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 12, we will get negative 6. Okay, now we can find for y coordinate. Okay, 1. Okay, there's also 1 plus 3, 1 plus 10. Okay, 1 minus 6 plus 3 plus 10. So I will get 14 minus 6. So 14 minus 6 equals to 8. Okay, now we can do the tangents. Okay, y x minus x1. So take y minus 8 equals to negative 6x minus 1. So y equals to negative 6x plus 6 plus 8. So I will get y equals to negative 6x plus 40. Okay, now we see the question B. Okay, find the coordinate of the point when the tangents meets the curve again. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it means, okay, for these equations, it will mix this curve again. Okay, so now I show what, how to the performance. Okay, maybe curve like this way. Okay, let's see. Okay, because negative tangents, right? Maybe at here. Okay, x equals to 1. Okay, this is a tangents. Yeah. Okay, like this way, maybe. Okay, but I erased it. Okay, so we already understand these concepts now. Okay, we can write x cubed minus, by the equation. Okay, so 6x squared plus 3x plus 10 equals to negative 6x plus 40. So we can write x cubed minus x squared plus, 9x, this here, 10 minus 40, negative 4 equals to 0. Okay, now we look how to solve for these equations. Okay, we can take x equals to 1. Why? Because actually you can, because this together we can get equals to 0. Okay, now we can try. Okay, if I put 1 cube 6 1 plus 9 minus 4, equals to 1. 1 minus 4, negative 3. 9 minus 6, we also get 3. So equals to 0. Okay. Now we can using the long division method to solve it. X squared, x cubed minus x squared here. Okay, negative 5x plus 9x. Okay, now I put 5x, negative 5x squared plus 5x over 4x minus 4 plus 4. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, x minus 2. X squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. And then we can do the factorization. Okay, x 4 minus 1. Okay, we can get x minus 1 squared, x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, it means x equals to 4. This coordinate will mix the curve again. Okay, so now we can find the y coordinate. Okay, we're using for this equation to find. Okay. Or actually, I can take also these equations plus 14, then negative 24 plus 14 equals to negative 10. Okay, so what is this coordinate? 4, negative 10. Okay, so now we look at next question. Okay, this is the integrations questions. Okay, find the exact values of integrate 4 to bracket x plus 1 square over x squared dx. Okay, now you see this exact values, right? It means your answer matches in exact form, okay, not in decimal places. Okay, now we start. Okay, 4 to x plus 1 square over x squared dx. Okay, now we can start to separate. Okay, or not separate or expense. Okay, now we can do, okay, 1 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x squared dx. Okay, now we can do integrate, okay, x plus 2 log x. This okay, negative 1 over x, okay, for 2. Okay, I hope the guys can understand for this part. Okay, now we can see next. Okay, 4 plus 2 ln 4 minus 1 over 4. And then minus 2 plus 2 ln 2 minus 1 over 2 here. Okay, 15 over 4 plus 2 ln 4 minus, okay, 3 over 2 plus 2 ln 2. 15, 14 minus 3 over 2 plus 2 a plus, okay, minus Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, this 9 over 4 plus, okay, plus ln 4. Okay, now you can understand. Okay, so we see for next part. Okay, question 7. A geometric position has the first term of the tree and the second term of 2.4. For this position, find the sum of the first 8 terms. Okay, so now we can write 8 equals to 3. Okay, then second equals to 2.4. So now we can find the common ratio first. Okay, 3 are because here is 2 minus 1 is still 1, so equals to 2.4. So R, okay, what is the common ratios? Okay, common ratio is 0.8. Okay, now we can find the sum of the first 8 terms. Okay, okay, A equals to 3, 1 minus 0.8, and then I put power A, and then also minus 1 minus 0.8. Okay, 12.48. Okay, now we see the next question. Okay, the sum of the infinity. Okay, now we find sum the infinity A over 1 minus R. So 3 over 1 minus 0.8. Okay, let's see what's the answer. Okay, equals to 50. Okay, now we see the next question. Okay, the last number for which the sum is greater than 95% of the sum infinity. Okay, it means okay, is actually more than 0.59 sum to infinity. Okay, so we look which at least how many terms they were greater than sum to the infinity. Okay, so this first we need to write down. Okay, then okay we can write okay 3 bracket 1 minus 0.8 n over 1.0.8, okay, greater than 0.59, okay, is 15. Okay, now we start step by step. Okay, 15, so 1 minus 0.8 n greater than 0.9, now 15. Okay, now this can be made 1 minus 0.5, and this is 0.8 power of the n. Okay, 0.05 more than this. Okay, after that we can put the log. Okay, when we put the logs right, okay, make sure the arrow should be changed. Okay, now n, okay, ln 0.05 over ln 0.8. Let's see how the answer. Okay, 13.43. So it means the less number of the terms is equals to 14 terms. Okay. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, question 8. Okay, do not use the calculator in this question. In this question, lengths are in centimeter. Given that the area of the triangle ABC is 5.5 cm square, so find the exact length of the AC. Write your answer in the form A plus B sub 3 where A and B are integers. Now we look. Okay, okay, so now we can write area of the triangle ABC equals to 5.5. Okay, and then we can write 1/2 multiply 2 sub 3 plus 1, and then AC, and then sine 30. Okay, sine 30 information already given to you because this question you cannot use calculator. So now we can write 1/2. Okay, sine 30 is also 1/2, and then 2 sub 3 plus 1 AC equals to 5.5. And then 2 sub 3 plus 1 over 4 AC equals to 5.5. So let's see what's the value. 5.5 multiply 4 over 2 sub 3 plus 1. Okay, I hope you guys can understand for this part lah. Okay. The limit to think. Okay. 5.5 multiply. Okay. 20. Actually, it's 22 lah. Here. Okay. 22 over 2 sub 3 plus 1. Okay, so we already find this part. We need to write the answer in this form. Okay. Okay, now I write here. Okay, what we need to do is we need rationalizing denominator. Okay, then this 44 and then 22 2 sub 3 minus 1 over 4 3 minus 1. So I will get 22, okay, 2 sub 3 minus 1 over 11. Okay, now I get 2 bracket 2 sub 3 minus 1. So now I will get 4 sub 3 minus 2. Okay, this is your answers. Now we look at the question B. Okay, show that the B square equals to C plus D sub 3 where C, D are to be found as integers. Okay. So now, okay, actually we can use cos rule. Okay, so now we start. Okay, B square equals to AB square plus AC square minus 2AB AC okay, cos 30. Okay, so now we can write, okay, AB 2 sub 3 plus 1 square plus 4 sub 3 minus 2 square minus 2 bracket 2 sub 3 plus 1 4 sub 3 minus 2, and then here I put sub 3 over 3. Okay, now we doing the expansions part here. Okay, now we can write 2 it is 4 3 plus 1 and then plus 4 sub 3, and then plus 16, 3 minus 16 sub 3 minus 4, and then also minus a lot of parts. Okay. So this multiply minus, okay, 8, okay, this 3, and then minus 4 sub 3 plus also 4 sub 3, and then minus 2, and then here I put sub 3. Okay, 12 plus 1 plus okay, 48 minus 4, and then also plus, not plus again, okay, finish. 12 12 sub 3, and then also minus 24 minus 4 sub 3. Actually, this is not again. 24 minus 2. That is 3. Okay, so I will get 61 minus 12 sub 3, and then minus 24 minus, okay, 22 sub 3. After that, I will get 61 minus 34 sub 3. Okay, this is plus 4 plus 65 here. Okay, I hope the guys watching this video will be can understand. Okay, so now we can look at question 9. Okay, these are vectors. Okay, so QP is equals to 2B, OS equals to 3A, SR equals to B, PQ equals to A. So the line OR, okay, and QS intersect at the X. Okay, so find the OQ. Okay, look at here. The OQ. Okay, find the OQ in terms of the A and B. Actually, it's very easy. So just write OQ. Okay, 2B plus A. And then we find QS in terms of the A and B. Okay, so QS is here. QS. So okay, negative A, negative 2B plus 3A. So we will get 3 minus 1, 4A minus 2B. Okay, now we see the question C. Given that QX equals to QS, find the OX in terms of the A, B, and U. Okay, so now we try as one by one, step by step. QX, okay, is equals to QO plus OX. Okay. So I can take OX minus OQ equals to U QX. So OX equals to, okay, OQ 2B plus A plus U. OA is 2A minus 2B. Okay. Okay, now we continue for the question D. Okay, given that OX equals to lambda OR, so find the OX in terms of the A, B, and lambdas. Okay, so we can see, okay, OX equals to lambda OR, right? Okay, so we can see OR here. Okay, 3A plus B. So we can write 3A plus B. And then we see the E, find the value of the lambdas and the U's. Okay, so we use this. OX equals to OX. So we can write 2B plus A plus U, 2AU minus 2B. U equals to 3 lambda A plus 3 and not 3 lambda B. So now we just arrange. Okay, 2A, 2U plus 1A and then plus bracket 2B minus 2B and 2 minus 2UB equals to 3A plus lambda B. Okay, we can equals to 2U plus 1 equals to 3 lambda and then 2 minus 2U equals to lambda. Okay. So, okay, now we continue. Now I can using the elimination method to solve these equations. Okay, this first, then this second, this first, and then 2 minus 2u equals to lambda is second. So I can take first last two. So here I will take 3 equals to 4 lambda here. So lambda equals to 3 alone, 4 at here. Okay, and then last we see u. Okay, so 2u plus 1 equals to 3, 3 over 4 here. So 9 over 4 minus 1. So lambda equals to 5 or 8. Okay, and then we look at the and find the value of the qx over xs. So we see qx Okay, this is QX and okay, SS. Okay, because you got 5/8. Okay, I write here. Okay, QX equals to 5/8 QS. So it means QS got 8 parts. Okay, for QX, we just take 5. This is 3. So for QX, XX equals to 5/3. Okay, now now we look at next part. Okay, 4x equals to 3/4 OR. Okay, it means OR here we got 4 parts. Okay, this part is that's 3. So here is 1. Okay, so okay, 3. Okay, 4/3. Because why? Because OR we got 4 parts. Okay, and OX we just take 3 parts only. Okay, after this finish this question. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, question 10. The number speed of the bacteria in the sample given by B equals to P plus QE power 2x whole T, where PQ are constant and T is time in the weeks. Initially, 500 bacteria with increase to 600 after 1 week. Okay, so find the P in Q. Okay, so now we can start. Okay, because first we say initially 500 bacteria. Okay, so we can write 500 P plus Q E is 0. So we will get P plus Q equals to 500. And then we look, okay, 600 equals to P plus Q E. So this is 1 over 1. So now we see. So we will get P plus Q E 2 equals to 600. So now we can take P equals to 500 minus Q. So first, this is second equation. So we can write 500 minus Q plus Q E2 equals to 600. Okay, after that we can write Q bracket E square minus 1 over equals to 100. So Q equals to 100 over E square minus 1. Okay, now we can write in decimal place. Okay, 15.65. And then we find the P. Okay, 500 minus 15.65 equals to, okay, 484.35. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, find the numbers of the bacteria present after the 2 weeks. Okay, so now, wait a minute. B equals to, okay, is 484.35 plus 15.65. Okay, this E2. Okay, so we just take calculator to calculate for this question. Okay, we can write 1338.81. Now we look at the question C. Okay, find the first week in which number can criteria is greater than 1 million. Okay, so okay, we have to use more than 1 million. So this question 1 million minus 484.35. So we get this. And also we divided 3,866.8147, and then we can take ln 6, okay, 63866.8147, and then we can divide it by 2. Okay, 5.53. It means T, okay, equals to 6 weeks. Okay, now, okay, we look at question 11. So, finally, okay, now we look at the question 11 here. Okay, show that the sine tangents over 1 minus cos equals to 1 plus sec. Okay, so we can write left hand side equals to sec tangents over 1 minus cos. So, okay, I can write sine here also cos. Okay, 1 cos minus cos square over cos. So I can erase for this part. Okay, so I will put sine square over cos is cos square. Okay, so right cos, okay, 1 minus cos here. Okay, but until here, right, we cannot, we don't know how to solve that, so we can write 1 minus cos square over cos 1 minus cos. And then we can separate 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos over cos 1 minus cos. Here, okay, we can eliminate, or we can cancel for this part. Okay, after that, we can get 1 over cos plus 1. Okay, 1 plus sec. Okay, equals to right hand side. Okay, I hope you can understand from this part. Okay, first you need to separate. Okay, from tangent change to this way. Okay, after that, okay, for part 1 minus cos part, you need to make sure the denominator uh, change from 1 to cos. After for cos, right, okay, we just cancel for cos, okay, you will get this way. Okay, after you get, okay, you can separate because this is a difference 2 square. Okay, how you can understand difference 2 square, you will can get this part. Okay, after you get this part, okay, you can cancel for same element. Okay, now you can get 1 over cos plus 1. Okay, and then after that you can get 1 plus sec. Okay, so equals to 1 sec. Okay, now we see the last question. Solve the equation 5 tangents minus 3 cos equals to 2 sec for x between 0 and 360 degrees. Okay, now, okay, we need to separate for all. Okay, 5 tangents minus 3 cos equals to 2 sec 5 of the sine over cos minus 3 this cos over sine here. Okay, this is 2 bracket 1 over cos. Okay, so now I can get 5 sine square minus 3 cos square over sine and then cos. So equals to 2 over cos. Okay, for this cos, I can cancel first. Okay, after that, I can get 5 sine square minus 3 cos square equals to 2 sine. Okay, now I can change for this part. Okay, because I want to make hidden quadratic equations. So sine square minus 3 bracket 1 minus sine square. Okay, and then minus 2 sine x, okay, equals to 0. Okay. After that, can get 5 sine square minus 3 plus 3 sine square minus 2 sine equals to 0. So 8 sine square minus 2 sine minus 3 equals to 0. So, and then I factorize 3, 1. So, 2 sine plus 6, 4, and 4, 4. So I will get 2 sine x plus 1, and then 4 sine minus 3 equals to 0. And now we can find for this. Okay, so I will get sine x equals to negative 1 over 2, and one more is sine equals to 3 over 4. Okay, now we can find the reference angle first. The sine, okay, 1 over 2. So let's see what's the value. Okay, 30 degrees. And then we see for reference angle for sine equals to 3 over 4. Okay, I will get 48.59 degrees. Okay, so now I find the x first. Okay, this is negative, right? Okay, so if sure it's negative, so we don't take first and second quadrant, so we take third and fourth quadrant. So 180 degrees plus 13, and then 360 degrees minus 13. So I will get 210 and then 313. Okay, now we look at this part. Okay, because it shows the positive, so we just find first and second quadrants. So 48.59 and then 360 and then 360. 180 degrees minus 48.59. Okay, 131.41 degrees. Okay, so now I've already solved this question. So I already discussed for this paper lah. So I hope who watching my this video. So please subscribe, like, share, and subscribe my videos. Okay, share to for anyone's people who want to see this past papers. Okay, okay. I see you in the next video. Okay, so goodbye.